Hello, welcome back to Video Wizard. Today I'm showing you how to export audio only, okay? So I have this video up here, but I don't like any of the video. I don't want that. So what am I going to do? I'm going to head up into File. I'm going to press Export. Okay, Export Media. File format, I'm going to change that to MP3, okay? I'm going to scroll all the way down to MP3. Then I'm going to change the preset, okay? And I'm going to scroll all the way down to more presets. And then I'm just going to search MP3. And then you just want the MP3 256 high quality, okay? So you want to press that, press OK, and then let's just export it. Okay, that's been exported. Let's look where it is in my files. Intro new. Always. Let's see. Just an audio file. Thank you very much for watching. Have a great rest of your day.